Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making a bootable USB now. Do not pause. Plug a 8 GB plus stick into a working computer and run the media creation tool or write the Windows ISO with Rufus. Choose language, edition, and 64-bit if your PC supports it. Make sure to select USB as destination. Once done, verify the USB contains the Windows setup files. This gets you a clean, bootable repair medium, so you can move to the broken machine immediately. You now boot the target PC from the USB stick. Press the boot menu key or set USB first in BIOS/UEFI and restart. When the installer appears, choose Repair Your Computer, then Troubleshoot and Advanced Options. Run Startup Repair to fix common boot issues automatically. If that fails, open Command Prompt and run bootrec/fixmber, bootrec/fixboot, bootrec/scanos, and bootrec/rebuild to rebuild boot configuration. Make sure to restart between steps to check progress and log any errors you see. You finish by testing a normal boot, remove the USB, and restart the PC. If Windows starts, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix corrupted system files. If problems persist, use System Restore from the advanced options or perform a repair install keeping your files. If the drive isn't detected, check physical SATA or NVMe connections and confirm BIOS disk mode. Mismatch of OSI versus IDE can prevent booting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.